Lastly, let's talk about lipase. Lipase is secreted by the pancreas. Carbohydrates is secreted by the mouth, the pancreas, and the small intestine. Protease is secreted by the stomach, the pancreas, and the small intestine. With lipase, it is only secreted by the pancreas. What does it do? It digests, it breaks down complex fat molecules into simple, soluble fatty acids and glycerol. Now remember, these enzymes only help with the breakdown. They make the breakdown move faster. Okay. Now this action takes place in the small intestine. So that is where fat is broken down. Fat is broken down in the small intestine. Carbohydrates, the digestion of carbohydrates starts in the mouth, continues in the small intestine. Digestion of protein starts in the stomach, continues in the small intestine. But with the lipids, it takes place in the small intestine. Now there's this fluid that is secreted by the liver, which we call the bile. Bile is stored by the gallbladder. Now it is used to neutralize the acidic mixture of food and gastric juice to produce a suitable pH for the enzyme action. As the food is moving from the stomach, remember the HCl acted on the food, so the food has become acidic. The bile will then neutralize the acidic part, or neutralize the acidity of the food, so that the enzyme lipase can act on the food. Bile is used to emulsify the fats and increase the surface area for the chemical digestion of the fat by the lipase. Bile is not an enzyme. What does bile do? Bile just breaks down the complex fat molecules into smaller droplets. So here, the bile will help us emulsify the food. The bile will help us break the complex fat molecules into the fat droplets so that the lipase can help with the digestion. So lipase breaks down complex fat molecules into soluble fatty acids and glycerol molecules. It takes place in the small intestine. Now, it is done with the help of bile. The bile is produced by the liver. Its duty is to neutralize the acidic mixture of the food from the stomach, and then also help emulsify the fat so that the lipase can help with the breakdown.